All right, so I'm gonna try and redneck this. I'm trying to change the oil out of my CRV, and I don't have like a platform or a ramp to get the CRV onto. So what I'm gonna try and do is get it onto some stumps right here. So hopefully this stump is a bit high, so I'm gonna try and replace it, or this round, and then I'm gonna try and roll it up on these logs so it's steady on these rounds. So this round seems to be a bit better. I don't know about the plastic though. The plastic might not have good clearance, but I'm hoping that I'll be able to roll it onto that lip, then stabilize it up here. This one's gonna be quite a bit too high, looks like. Really don't want to damage this plastic underside. Maybe if I can, I might try and take it off. I don't know, that might be way too complicated, but yeah. So there's another round over there I'm gonna try and use instead of this big one, and then ideally I'd work right in the space right here between the two. But yeah, gonna try and redneck it and see if I can, and see if it works out without doing too much damage. But yeah, gonna get some help from Danijela in a bit. Where the lights are. So we're gonna try and roll it up on these blocks, on these rounds right here. We got Danijela, driver for today.
Okay, here we go.
All right, what do you need?
I just needed a seat. Oh, you have.
Just got the lights there. Yeah, lights are right here.
Okay, nice.
All right, so I think the main thing I want to be aware of, that I'll try and direct you accordingly to, is the plastics. I just don't want the plastics to get damaged. But I think we'll be fine. And like, you don't worry, you got zero blame, okay? If anything goes wrong.
Oh yeah, I'm listening to you. You just tell me what to do.
All right, let's roll up to the blocks, the logs. Okay. I'm gonna stop. Right. You can pull out and it's fine. Come as perfectly possible. This is the side. Yeah, if you find like this, come in as perfectly possible. And I find out we can go over the way, so no worries. Yeah, that's good. Yep. Come on. All right, let's stop this. Right. You got the tiny bit. All right, okay. You want that? Alright. Alright, I think you're good to pull forward a bit.
Forward?
Yep. Alright, a bit more. Bit more. Yep. Alright.
Oh, that was smooth.
But we're still not up yet, but
okay.
We're getting there. Alright. A bit more. Nice and easy. Nice. Right there? Right there?
Okay.
Let's see. Let me double check.
Ruby, I'm driving!
Alright, pull forward a little bit.
Okay, crap, okay.
Just a tiny, that's it. Let's back up a little bit. Just a tiny bit. Tiny. That's, yep, right there.
That's good?
That's good. Alright, now parking brake.
Where's your parking?
It's on the left side. The e-brake, it's a foot pedal. Nice. Alright. Do you want to turn it off? Hell yeah, let's go!
Let's go, little Pete!
Let's go!
Dude, that's so epic!
Oh, that's awesome.
That's so epic! That's true!
Boom!
Yo!
Danijela locked in! It's perfect.
That's epic. That is so epic. You're kidding me.
Nice, nice.
That is,
Oh yeah. Oh, that's so much space under there.
that's pretty solid on there.
Oh yeah.
Like that's sturdy.
Sweet. So I got the setup right here. Got the oil pan right here. Tools. Light. And under looks like this. We got the oil filter right here, the oil plug, and I don't have a socket that's big enough for the plug, so I tried to use let's see, where is it? Tried to use this wrench, but it's a pretty small wrench and it looks like it's pretty stuck on there, because you might be able to see, but it started slipping a bit and I really don't want to damage the plug. You can see that lip right there where it kind of started slipping. So yeah, that's something I really don't want. My friend Trey's gonna get a socket that's big enough, hopefully, and then we'll start draining it. Let it drain out here, and then take the filter out after that. Trying to see if I can catch it on. I don't know if it's gonna. You don't happen to have like an extender thing, do you? All right, let's see. Oh yeah, nice. Okay.
It's tight, though.
Damn. Oops.
Put that thing on last time.
Hmm. I think I knocked it a little bit loose. That should be good. Yeah, there it goes. Okay.
Ready to come out.
Yeah. Sweet. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I think honestly you had to be handy back then. Dang, it's really on there. Okay, there we go. Sweet. You can see that's where the oil filter went. Just made sure to clean all around it, so that no future leaks can happen. And yeah, it looks like it's pretty much done draining. So I'm gonna put the plug back in, put some oil in the new filter here, and then make sure that the gasket has oil on it too, or what did you say about the gasket?
Just grease the gasket.
Grease the gasket, and then we'll put it right back up in there, and then we'll put the oil in through the top. plug it in. Can I find it real quick? Not be super right?
You're doing it.
Yeah. Yeah, I kind of want to start a channel where I basically do a bunch of things for the first time and just see and try to show like anybody can do this, you know? Like I've never changed my car's oil, but I know that's pretty simple. So I just want to be like, first timer changes oil on their car.
You can do it too.
Yeah, and you can do it too. So just like a little bit in here.
Yeah. Just like, I don't really know why.
All right. Making sure that the
Perfect.
gasket's got it. Yeah, just making sure I don't have any dry spots in here. So I've gotten to where it's kind of getting snug here. So it's just when it gets snug, right?
Yes, like,
It doesn't wobble.
It's not really wobbling too much, and just
Doesn't wobble.
turn after that.
And then 3/4 of a turn. So I'm gonna use my thumb as an indicator. Oh. That's half.
If it feels like super tight, then that might be okay too.
Okay, cool. Just do it. Yeah, that feels pretty tight. Yeah, that feels good. Nice. Okay, cool. I'm gonna go nice and steady.
Okay.
Let me know if I should stop.
It's good so far. Yeah, you're good. Nothing moved yet. Nice. Yeah, you're good, man. Clear.